In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix the Snapchat camera not working. So as you can see on my screen as well, I got the sort of like problem as well. So to fix that, we basically just want to open up our settings app. And we're sure in the settings app, you want to scroll all the way down till you see the apps, and then till you see where is it? Snapchat, yes, right here. And this will open up the app settings. And there is a lot of different settings, as you can see, but the most important one is basically the camera setting. The camera setting is currently turned off, and that is why you get this problem right here. But just turn it on just like this, and when you go back to Snapchat, we can see that the camera is now working once again. So yeah, that is basically it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.